Everything that happens in your life is due to you have taken that in your life. You see, your subconscious mind works like that only. If we talk about conscious mind, there are two parts in that. That is a reasoning mind. Conscious mind is a reasoning mind where we can reason the things. There's a two parts of it, like inductive reasoning and deductive reasoning. The thinking part is like that we have to do whatever some told to us, we think that and then process, then see if we want to pass it to our subconscious mind or not. But what and deductive reasoning is something we don't think about it and simply direct into subconscious mind. And this is what happens with a lot of people. They don't think. If somebody tells them that you are not good, you're bad, then they don't think. They don't use their inductive reasoning in their conscious mind and behave that it doesn't exist at all. What happens is when somebody's told to you and says something to you, it directly go to deductive mind, and from there it directly enters to your subconscious mind. And one thing I want to tell you, that subconscious mind cannot think. It cannot differentiate between what is true, what is false, what is right, what is wrong. Nothing. Whatever fits into your subconscious mind, it makes you right now. There's an inductive reasoning present there, but people don't think. That directly enters their subconscious mind. And this is one thing also, like self-image of person is also decided by the subconscious mind. Somebody tells me, Vinod, you are not good at it. So I have two options. Either I take advice and without thinking pass into my subconscious mind, oh my god, I'm not good, I am bad person, I cannot do anything. Or I use an inductive thinking, reasoning brain and think what he had told me. And if it is right, I can take it. If it's wrong, I can simply neglect it and reject it so that it cannot pass to my subconscious mind. And this is how your brain works. So that is why we have said that there should be affirmations that tell you that I am good, I am bad, I am the best, because this pass on to your subconscious mind, and whenever subconscious mind acts, your body presents the results according to it. This is how you should work, and this is how your brain works. So take this advice. Anything said to you, simply use your inductive reasoning brain and think if it is right or wrong, and then pass it to your subconscious mind, because if it's not right, it will mess up your life.